Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make Alexa automatically speak louder in loud settings. So if you want your alarm to gradually go up in volume, you want the Amazon Alexa app here. Then you want to select More. Now you want Alarm and Timers here. You can add any alarms or anything like that, or you can set it directly through your Amazon Alexa. But once you have your alarm set, come to Settings, then choose your device. I'll choose this one here, which is Lee. Now you can change the volume directly here. However, you can see it's changing. However, here, Ascending Alarm. We can turn that on, and it says gradually increase alarm volume. So the alarm will slowly go up in volume. Hopefully you found that helpful. How to make Alexa alarm get louder slowly. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.